How's it going, everyone? Dogecoin just went over 50 cents. It's blowing past that. It's at 57 cents at the time of this recording. And it seems like it just can't stop right now. It's so explosive right now. Also, Ethereum is going up and it's past 3,500. So we're going to take a look at Dogecoin and what it could do over the next week or so, because we do have the Doge Father coming up on SNL on Saturday. So I woke up just now making this video after I saw Dogecoin going up so much. It's amazing timing too, because I just got this in the mail, Dogecoin on the moon. If you guys want, go down to underneath the video. You can see them right here. They actually just updated. They weren't updated before, but they have different colors on here too. I had the black one, but you can get socks, you can get a t-shirt. There are all different things you can get here. Definitely check that out if you guys are interested. Also, there is a link down there to BlockFi in case you want interest rate on your cryptocurrency. You can get Ethereum or Bitcoin or some other coins on there too, and get up to, I believe it's 10% on their stablecoin. So you can get that on here. They pay you every single month. There's also a link down there to Voyager in case you want 2% interest on your Dogecoin. So you can actually buy Dogecoin there and they pay an interest rate. I don't know if there's any other apps out there or any other companies out there that pay you an interest rate for Dogecoin. So definitely check that out. You get a $25 bonus there, and you get a $250 bonus with BlockFi, depending on how much you put in there. Now, I want to go over what experts are saying about Dogecoin, because some experts are saying it can continue to rise. And I want to cover kind of my thoughts on where it's going in the future. So we have it passing a $70 billion market cap, more than Ford. People have been saying that for a little while, more than Twitter. It's becoming one of the largest market caps in crypto. You can see it's fourth on the list now, only behind BNB, Ethereum, and Bitcoin. Now, Ethereum itself is passing, is coming much closer to Bitcoin. We can see it's almost at 40% dominance versus Bitcoin, 40% the size, and it passed 3,500. Now, this has just been exploding. Over the last 8 days, it's up from about, I believe it's 2,100 up to 3,500. So massive growth. I think a lot of people are turning to some of these altcoins because a lot of speculative stocks aren't doing well right now. A lot of speculative stocks are still down because of inflation fears, and hedge funds really run the big money with penny stocks compared to altcoins. A lot of big funds aren't investing in altcoins. So this is still a very young market as opposed to even just a penny stock market. So we have Dogecoin, which some experts are saying is still going to go up from here. So this Carol Alexander, a finance professor at the University of Sussex Business School in England, has made a bold prediction for Dogecoin. It costs so little that retail investors can hold a lot of Dogecoins. It has also taken over the rebel role that Bitcoin used to have. And I totally agree with that. I've said that before, where it's not really cool anymore to invest in digital gold like Bitcoin or even Ethereum. Ethereum is a little bit cooler, it seems. And of course, this isn't my own thoughts. It's just what I've been kind of feeling like and what I've seen other people talking about, which is it's not really that crazy to invest in Ethereum or Bitcoin because they're the market leaders. They're gaining a lot of market cap, and they're just becoming really popular. A lot of people have heard of them at least by now or know what they are. But Dogecoin is kind of cool. Some of these other altcoins are kind of cool. And with Dogecoin, I totally agree that it costs an amount that makes it, I'd say, preferable to a lot of younger or a lot of more inexperienced retail investors or people that maybe just don't have as much money. And I think we've seen that before with stock splits, right? When Apple announced their stock split, it went up dramatically. Tesla did really well after their stock split, and they're not any different company. They're the same company. They're just more shares and they're worth less. But we see that a lot of the time where things that cost less actually do better. So that is something interesting that they put out there, which I totally agree with. Someone likes buying 100 Dogecoin for just a small amount or just for $50. So that is something that a lot of retail investors can stomach. Now, they talk about whether it will rise more. I think Dogecoin might continue a very bumpy rise in price, and during the time, I really hope it recovers its origins. So I'm not sure if they're talking about how she hopes that goes back down. She says, I really hope it recovers its origins, or whether she's talking about just hitting what it was before, which was 45 cents, because I don't know. This was just published, but I feel like it might have been from a little while ago. So We have this expert saying that it could continue to rise. We have the Dallas Mavericks owner, Mark Cuban, continuing to talk about it. Recently, I did a video talking about it and talking about what he gave as the reason for backing Dogecoin. And I would go watch this video too. I'll put this one up on the end screen along with that Ethereum video. But we also have the Doge Father coming up. That is the big catalyst that I think is setting this up. And that's why I say in this video, or maybe it was one of my other ones, I think it was this one though, that I think we'll continue to see a rise, probably up to $1 or right short of $1 because of Elon Musk going on SNL. I think that will cause it to continuously go up because so many people will be excited about it. And we saw this kind of around, what was it, the Super Bowl, right? We saw a lot of people thinking, okay, maybe he's going to actually put an ad in the Super Bowl. And that was back when it was like 10, 11 cents, right? So that was a much different time than now, right? That was a $15 billion market cap as opposed to $70 billion. But we still have a huge catalyst in that show. And I would not be surprised if we had a little bit of the selling the news type of event. Even if he talks about Dogecoin, I'm not sure how many people haven't heard about it in media. And I'm not bearish on Dogecoin or anything like that. I hope it does really well. But so many people have already heard about it. I'm not sure talking about it on SNL, besides people getting excited that he talked about on SNL, would really send it up higher. And even if people are excited about that, I don't know who's going to go out, who really knows about Dogecoin or altcoins or investing. I don't know why they would go out and then buy it at that point. I think most people are buying it now, or they bought it a week ago, and now they are hoping that it continues up the hype train, which is kind of what I expected. That's why I've been saying that I think it will continuously shoot up as we get closer to that, and then eventually there will be some kind of dump off. Hopefully it has just a higher low than it did before, and hopefully for a lot of people, they don't buy in when they see it on SNL. Like if you aren't hearing about this until SNL, you probably should not be buying it. That's just my thinking about it. But let me know your thoughts down below. Again, Dogecoin, 56 cents. Awesome day for everyone that's been investing in it. It's really cool. Also, Ethereum running like crazy. This is actually my largest holding of any individual investment. So $23,000 worth of Ethereum. Pretty excited about that. Bitcoin's been really stabilizing, which is good. I would love to see that back at all-time highs. But for now, it has been an insane run. So I'm okay with it staying there for a little bit longer. Give some people time to buy in if that's something that they're interested in. Thank you guys for watching. Again, if you guys want this sweatshirt, you can check it out down below. Also, there is a link down there to BlockFi in case you want an interest rate on your cryptocurrency. Also, a link down there to Webull. Maybe they will eventually give us some interest rate on cryptocurrencies or something like that. But for now, they're giving you 2 free stocks when you sign up and deposit $100. They also allow you to trade Dogecoin on their platform. And there's a link down there to Voyager where you can get 2% interest on your crypto. Thank you guys, and I will see you guys in the next video. Bye.